If you guys are looking for a really cute gift for your girls, this is seriously so fun. This is the Friendship Bracelet Making Kit, and this has 112 pieces in it, and you can make up to 15 bracelets. My daughter, who's 9, is so excited to use this, so I do want to thank the company that sent me this to do this review for you guys today. It does come really nicely packaged here in this box, and inside the box it has the bracelet loom here. And this bracelet loom is where it holds all of the different things in it. You can see it has these little holes that you'll make the bracelets on. On the back, it even has a little ruler so you can measure everything. Has this cute little butterfly you just pop open. And inside is all of these different ropes here. You can see all these fun colors. And then it has the buttons as well as the pins that you'll push in. And then it has this rope as well that's really stretchy, which is so fun. So all of that just sits in here. And then it has all of these fun little stickers as well as an instruction manual. The instruction manual takes you step by step on how to make all the bracelets. It has pictures and everything. And there's 10 different bracelet styles you can make. But there's so many other things besides bracelets you can make with this, like keychains and things. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to my daughters, show you guys how we use it and how we like it.
So my daughter started by picking out what color she wanted of the rope and of the stretchy bands, and then put on the little pegs into the board. We put on the stretchy band and then put on the string, and then she put the 2 pegs into the hole to help guide her when she's doing her knots. I helped her with the first knot, but after that she caught on really quickly. We decided to do the first bracelet style in the book. So my daughter started by putting the string around the peg to make a 4. Then she goes over the string, under the stretchy string, and then up through the loop, and then holds both of the strings opposite each other and then ties it tightly. You kind of have to lift the string above the little pegs there to get it going, and then you can move the pegs as you're doing the knots to kind of help and guide you. There is 10 different knot styles in the book. It goes through step by step with pictures and directions, which is super helpful. My daughter, who's 9, was able to figure out the first one pretty quickly. The other ones were a little bit challenging for her, so I would suggest about 8 and older for this kind of kit. And then when my daughter was done, she just checked to make sure it fit on her wrist. And then she pushed the 2 buttons together, the small and the big one, and then picked out a little sticker to put on them. And then took the button and looped it around the edge of the string. You can kind of double knot this if it's too big. And then you cut off the ends of the string and then hot glue them together to make sure it's all nice and secure. After my 9-year-old is finished, she wanted to help her 6-year-old sister make it. It was so cute to see them doing the friendship bracelets together. My 6-year-old definitely needed more help, but this is such a great gift for that elementary school age. My daughters love making it together and with me. It makes them so happy. They're already talking about making friendship bracelets for all of their friends. So overall, I'm really impressed with this kit. The quality of the string seems really nice. It's super soft, and my kids absolutely love it.